Welcome to the HomeByMe Planner. When you open your project, you'll see several tabs. The first tab on the left allows you to close your project. Next, right beside it, you can edit your project, such as naming or categorizing it. You'll then have a tab that lets you add or edit floors. And right next to it, you'll find a tab that lets you save your project, undo or redo your recent actions. And finally, the last tab gives you access to the Help Center. On the left, you'll find all the HomeByMe feature settings. The first tab, Construction, will initially allow you to create a wall. Next, you'll have the tab to create a room divider, add an exterior, add a room, and finally import a floor plan. You can then access the Search tab to browse the HomeByMe catalog or the Community catalog. Just below, you'll find the catalog tabs. And you will also have access to several different sub-tabs, which include the Detailed Structure and Architecture sub-tab, the various doors and windows, essential furniture pieces, decorative items, surface coverings, plumbing and electricity systems, and finally, all of the available community content. Next, you'll find the Favorites tab, Annotations, and finally, the Photo Studio. At the very bottom of your page, you'll find the last tabs, which will allow you to access the HomeByMe settings, switch from 2D view to 3D view, and finally, to immersive view. You'll be able to adjust the height of this view and finally zoom out and zoom in on your project.